This is the second video in the three-part two-finger scrub series. In this video, I will demonstrate how the two-finger scrub is used to close a pop-up menu. I'm going to open a document in the Pages app. So on my home screen, I'm dragging to the Pages app and split tapping to open Pages.
Doc, Pages. Double Pages, back button.
My Pages document is open. I'm going to swipe to the More button, which is located in the toolbar across the top of the page.
View of Scrub Post, Table of Contents, Share, More button.
I'm going to open the More button with a double tap.
Find button.
A pop-up menu appears. The ear con when the pop-up menu appears is the two-toned blip sounds. The app developer determines where the pop-up menu will appear and the size of the pop-up menu. In this pop-up menu, there are 4 items starting with Find. I can easily close the pop-up menu using the two-finger scrub gesture. Listen for the 3 ascending tones that indicate the pop-up menu has been closed.
Back button.
All right, let's do it one more time and listen to the ear cons. I'm going to swipe to the More.
View Scrub Table of Share, More button.
I'm going to select and listen for the two-tone blip sounds.
Find button.
And now I'm going to use the two-finger scrub to close the pop-up.
Back button.